Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn money online, you might want to consider tutoring English language learners. In today's video, we'll explore how you can earn between $20 to $30 per hour by sharing your language skills from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a native English speaker or have a strong command of the language, there are numerous platforms ready to connect you with students eager to learn. I'll walk you through 5 fantastic websites where you can start tutoring, along with a detailed guide on how to get started and what you can expect to earn. So if you're ready to turn your expertise into a lucrative side hustle, let's dive in. This is Billy Profits, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country, so we'll be able to upload future make money online opportunities that are available to your location. First up is VIP Kid, a well-known platform that connects English teachers with Chinese students aged 4 to 12. To get started, you'll need to create an account on their website. The application process requires you to submit a resume, fill out a profile, and complete a demo lesson. VIP Kid requires teachers to have a bachelor's degree and at least some teaching or tutoring experience, but you don't need a teaching license. Once approved, you can start booking classes. Teachers on VIP Kid typically earn between $14 to $22 per hour, depending on their qualifications and experience. With the right preparation and engaging lessons, it's possible to earn $20 to $30 per hour as you build a loyal student base and gain more teaching experience. To maximize your earnings on VIP Kid, focus on creating fun and interactive lessons that capture the interest of young learners. The platform also rewards teachers for excellent student feedback, so be sure to communicate effectively and encourage your students to express themselves. Additionally, consider offering extra classes or promotional lessons to attract more students. Networking with other teachers through the VIP Kid community can provide insights into popular teaching methods and strategies to enhance your lessons. Being punctual and maintaining a professional demeanor will also help you build a strong reputation, leading to more students booking your classes. Don't forget to track your earnings and student feedback, as this will help you adjust your teaching strategies for even better results. Next, let's talk about Kids. This platform is similar to VIP Kid and primarily caters to young Chinese learners. The application process is straightforward. Sign up, complete a demo lesson, and attend an onboarding session. Once you're approved, you can start teaching. Kids offers competitive pay rates, ranging from $16 to $20 per hour, and they often had incentives and bonuses for teachers who complete a certain number of classes or receive positive feedback from students. With some dedication, earning $20 to $30 per hour is definitely achievable. To increase your success with Kids, take advantage of their resources, including lesson plans and teaching materials. Since Kids focuses on gamified learning, incorporating fun games and interactive activities into your lessons can enhance student engagement. Building rapport with your students is crucial, so be approachable and encouraging. Consistency is key, so aim to create a regular schedule that your students can rely on. By being available for lessons at peak times, you'll attract more students and boost your earning potential. Additionally, make sure to keep an eye on upcoming holiday promotions or themed lessons that the platform may offer. These can be great opportunities to attract more students. Moving on to Cambly, a unique platform that allows you to teach English to students from around the world, often without the need for a formal application process. Simply sign up, create a profile, and you can start taking calls with students immediately. Cambly pays tutors at a rate of $10.20 per hour, but they offer bonuses for longer calls and for tutors who are active during peak hours, making it possible to earn $20 to $30 per hour with enough effort. The flexibility of Cambly allows you to work whenever you want, making it an excellent option for those looking for a side gig. To maximize your earnings on Cambly, focus on being available during high-demand hours, which typically include evenings and weekends. Since Cambly allows for casual conversations, you can tailor your sessions based on the students' needs and preferences. Building a personal connection with your students can encourage them to book more sessions with you. Providing constructive feedback and engaging discussions will not only enhance the learning experience but also improve your chances of receiving positive reviews. To further improve your earning potential, consider offering specialized sessions such as conversational practice, job interview preparation, or help with specific English exams. Next, let's explore Preply, a platform where tutors can set their rates and create profiles to attract students. To get started, sign up, create a profile highlighting your teaching experience, and set your hourly rate, which can range from $10 to $40. Preply allows you to teach students of all ages and levels, offering great flexibility in terms of scheduling and lesson content. Many tutors earn between $20 to $30 per hour, depending on their expertise and how well they market themselves on the platform. To enhance your Preply experience, make sure to create a compelling profile that showcases your teaching style, experience, and any specialties you have, such as business English or exam preparation. Offering a trial lesson at a reduced rate can attract students to your profile and encourage them to book further sessions. Engaging with your students through personalized lesson plans can also lead to better results and higher retention rates. Additionally, consider asking your students for reviews and recommendations, as these can significantly boost your visibility on the platform. Using social media to promote your Preply profile can be effective as well. Sharing success stories and testimonials can attract new students and grow your client base quickly. Last but not least is iTalki, another excellent platform for teaching English online. Like Preply, iTalki allows you to set your own rates and create a profile that highlights your skills. The application process is straightforward. You'll need to fill out your profile and provide a video introduction to attract students. iTalki has a diverse student base, and tutors can earn between $10 to $30 per hour, depending on their teaching style, expertise, and engagement with students. With the right approach, it's very possible to reach that $50 daily target. To succeed on iTalki, focus on creating a professional, engaging profile. Highlight any relevant teaching experience and emphasize what makes your lessons unique. Providing trial lessons can be a great way to attract new students, allowing them to see your teaching style firsthand. Additionally, consider offering package deals for multiple lessons, which can incentivize students to book more sessions upfront. Engage with your students between lessons by providing resources or answering questions, as this builds a strong teacher-student relationship and can lead to repeat bookings. Lastly, actively participate in iTalki's community forums, where you can connect with other teachers and share tips. This will help you stay updated on trends and strategies that can enhance your teaching approach and overall earning potential. So there you have it, 5 fantastic websites where you can earn between $20 to $30 per hour by tutoring English online. Whether you choose VIP Kids, Cambly, Preply, or iTalki, each platform offers unique opportunities and flexibility to suit your needs. The key to success is to stay proactive, build strong relationships with your students, and continuously improve your teaching skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments which platform you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy tutoring!